Hello friends, welcome back to our ETC Information English channel. Today we are going to talk about an astronomer who is called the father of modern science. Before going further, please subscribe to our channel and also download India's largest audiobook platform Kukufm. Coupon code and app link is given in the description box. So let's start the video. Let's talk about Galileo Galilei. Galileo was an Italian scientist, mathematician and astronomer who lived from February 15, 1564 to January 8, 1642. He is often called the father of modern science because of his work in various scientific fields. Galileo is most famous for his improvements in the telescope and his observations. In 1609, he built the telescope and made several groundbreaking discoveries, which includes the four largest moons of Jupiter, whose names are Io, Europa, Ganymede and Callisto. They are also called Galilean moons. He also discovered two phases of Venus. The discovery of Saturn ring was the result of his own observation, although he did not recognize them as the ring at that time. Apart from this, he discovered and observed many countless stars and objects. With these great discoveries came many disputes. Galileo's observation greatly supported the heliocentric model of the solar system, which was proposed by Nicholas Copernicus. Now this heliocentric model tells us that the Sun is the center of the solar system and the Earth and other planets revolve around Sun. But in those days, Earth was considered the center of solar system and all the rest of the planets were believed to revolve around Earth. The Catholic Church was strongly opposed to this newly proposed heliocentric model. Galileo's support for heliocentric model and his advocacy of it in his book Dialogue Concerning the Two Chief World Systems, published in 1632, and brought him into conflict with Catholic Church. In 1633, he was put on trial by Roman Catholic Inquisition and was found guilty of heresy for promoting the heliocentric model. He was later placed under house arrest for the rest of his life. So Galileo had a very struggling life. Let's talk contribution in physics. Galileo made important contribution in the field of physics. He created the law of motion, which laid the foundation for the work of Isaac Newton in classical mechanics. Galileo's experiment with falling and projected objects laid the foundation for the uniform acceleration concept. Galileo also made important contributions to the field of timekeeping by studying the motion of pendulum. His work on pendulum motion was important in the development of the pendulum clock, which had a profound impact on timekeeping and navigation. Galileo's work had a huge impact on the field of astronomy, physics and scientific method. His experiments, observation and ideas brought about a huge scientific revolution, and eventually the heliocentric model was accepted, for which he was jailed. This was a huge scientific revolution in the 17th century. His work laid the groundwork for many of the scientific advances that occurs in the centuries after his lifetime. So that's it. This was Galileo. I hope you like this video. If you like our video, please do share. Thank you.